this is Candy, your Hoist business partner. Today I want to introduce the wireless remote control. Now in front of the desk, you can find these three parts of wireless remote control. 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. That means these 2 transmitters and can control this 1 receiver, can send message to this receiver at the same time. There's 6 function button: up, down, right, left, forward, and backward. And here is start button. Here is emergency button. You can open it. Here, open it, and stop it. Stop it fast. The emergency button can solve a lot of problems. And the material of this is glass fiber PA66. The protection class is IP65. The power supply is 2 AA batteries. This one, but I can't stand batteries by International Tree Express. You can buy it in local market. The control distance of this and this is 100 meter. 100 meter. If you want to control it in 200 meter, you can tell us. It is cameraized. The cable length is 1.65 meters. And this is the package of the wireless. And this is the raster polybag. We also have wireless for 2 point, 4 point, 6 point, and 8 point. It can be used on hoist, crane, and carriage, and overhead girder crane. If you want to buy wireless remote control, please find us. Our company name is Hoist. Thank you.